Hey guys, got a lava. Hey little here. It's a Manava. Just wanted to share with you guys. I'm on the bridge, the long bridge near Brighton, Christchurch, Cardiff City, down. Just wanted to share with you guys. I'm on the top of the ocean. You know, when I talk about the ocean, I'm just reminding you the ocean breathing, or the Manava at PAO, which is good for our vagus nerve. It relaxes you. It helps it also help our autonomic nervous system. You know, and here it is. I wanted to share with you guys. Boom. Yeah. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Hee 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 hee. Yeah, hope you enjoy it, guys, and yeah, and you know, it's like walking, walking on the waves. Here it is. Oh. Yeah, basically just wanted to share with you guys, what I am experiencing, what I am observing the moana, observing the, you know, the omnipresence of the unknown, the greater spirits. There you go. Yeah, just wanted to share with you. Off I come all the way. Boom.